Yeah, so can anyone tell me the reasons why most of the traders fails to make profits and build wealth or consistent income from the market? Prediction failed. Okay. Any other reasons, sir? You want to speak up, Ashok? Then, okay. Let me open your microphone. Are you able to unmute yourself? Yeah. Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, tell me. Yeah, Ashok, tell me why the traders are failed to make consistent profit. What do you want to say?
So actually, I don't know so much thing. Just I started. I am very beginner.
Okay. So
I
when
am opening the account 7 days back.
okay, fine, not to worry. Thank you. Thanks for your view. So I'll share you what are the reasons. One is a fear of losses. Anyone heard about it? Fear of losses? Anyone heard about it? Not able to judge the market behavior. That is also good. Greed of making big money in short time frame. Gut feeling based trading decision. Panic decisions. Irrational decision making. Lack of systematic or disciplined trading. Right? So these are the reasons why people are not able to make the profit. Do's and don'ts during this webinar. So please keep your phone on the silent mode. Watch this webinar from desktop. So I request you all are seeing from the desktop. Keep a water bottle with you so don't miss any part, and keep full focus on the webinar. So why this importance of this learning? So I'm just silencing my phone. Okay, so by today's learning, you are going to be the profitable trader. That's the objective of this program. There are a lot of my students who have benefited with the algo and they are doing the algo trading. But before moving forward, I would like to know that, guys, what is your knowledge about the algo trading? Why you joined this webinar? What is your expectation from this webinar? What are your expectations from this webinar? Can anyone tell me? Mr. Ravichandran, Mr. Ashok, Mr. Pratik. Make this interactive. You will learn a lot of things.
Yes, sir, Pratik here.
Yeah, Pratik.
Yeah, so basically, I'm looking for a consistent return on an annual basis, not on a monthly basis.
Correct.
And the system has to be scalable. And my expectation is anywhere between 36 to 48% per annum.
Correct. Good expectation. So currently you are doing a trading manual.
Yeah, I have few algos running, my own
Okay.
setups and stuff like that.
Okay.
But I mean, it's more into option selling. I'm more into option selling.
Okay.
But 23 apparently has not been a very great year till now for option sellers. The
Correct.
VIX is also very low.
Correct.
But it's okay. I mean, when we take a longer term view, it's a part of the game.
Okay. And the option selling which you are doing, it's a positioning or it's a intraday?
75% is intraday and 25% is positional with hedges.
Okay. And I know because the return is very comparatively less than the option buying. Because
Yeah.
selling the
See,
option.
so what happens in option buying, the biggest drawback is the drawdowns are very huge.
Correct.
And I mean, the only plus side is that you need a small capital. But I've seen people blowing up the accounts in option buying.
Correct. Correct.
Whereas in option selling, we need a decent capital, but my focus is always on the drawdown and not on the return. If I can manage the drawdown, I'm okay. I'm good to go.
Yeah. So we are managing the drawdown, and that's a beauty with our program. Okay. Until now,
Right.
single student have lose a single rupee, okay, from the capital. That is the beauty of the product. So that I'm going
Perfect.
to definitely show you. But why I'm just asking to you, because I learn, because I can understand your expectation, and great, you have shared your expectation. Anyone wants to share their expectation? You can switch on your mic and talk. Mr. Ravichandran, Mr. Gyaneshwar. If anybody wants to talk and not able to open the mic, you can ask me. Why I'm asking this, because I'll take you through all the points, and not a single point is missed. That's the only objective I have. Otherwise, my things are lined up. So I have a gift for the people who stay till the end of this webinar. Guys, are you interested to know about me, or I'll move forward quickly? If you're interested, then just message PG into the chat box, and I'll share about me. Please type PG into the chat box if you would like to know about me. Okay, fine. So, thank you. Thanks, Gyaneshwar. Thanks, Pratik. So, I have a 20 years experience with the stock market trading. Plus, 5+ years I am working with the Algo. I have tested what is the product available in the market into the Algo, even it's open platform or whatever you say. I have seen many strategies. I work with the Python system. I work with the trading based system. Many systems I have worked with. So I know what works, what not works. Okay. And I have created very fine-tuned program that I'm going to discuss moving forward. Then apart from that, I'm an investor and mentor. I am connected with the startup ecosystem in India. I'm a founder of Torchat. This is my advertising platform, and I have office in London and operation in India. I'm mentoring startup for the design growth and helping them for the branding, advertising, and marketing. So apart from that, I have a 15+ year tech domain expertise, and that's the reason I am able to create this product. And honestly, I've created first for myself, and that's how this journey started. So that I'm going to discuss moving forward. So these are some glimpses of my journey. So I am along with Mr. Jordan Leaves, he's a Canadian Consulate General. Then I have taken a special training class into the IIM Bangalore. Then I participated in Barcelona, Spain for the Mobile World Congress. Okay, and it's my UK office. Apart from that, this is my co-founder, and I'm also participated in few awards. Okay, which is for few of the startups and direct participation. So that's there. So it's about me. I take it very quickly because time is precious for everyone. Okay, voice is low audible. Now it's okay, Mr. Ravichandran? Can you say yes if my voice is okay to you, or still you facing a problem? Okay, fine. Thank you. So guys, are you interested to know about my algo journey? Why I started algo? What is the reason? How I started my stock market journey? If you want to know that, then just type the PG into the comment box, and then I'll share you that also. Thank you. So 15 years ago, I'm just a novice trader like you, and I was into the business. So basically, my background is business, and that time I was doing a tech business, technology service company, and I was making decent money into it. So I decided I want to grow my money, because when you earn money, you have another question that how you grow your money, because you are already earning it. But if you are not growing your money at some pace, there's no meaning. So I decided I have to grow my money, and my money works for me. So I tried to, and the only option was available with the stock market. Real estate option was there, but it's a too long investment. But I want to try something new and getting a better return out of it. So I tried with the stock market. So when I have taken the trades into the stock market, I was doing well, and I have keep my loss parameter, which is this much loss I am going to work. And if it has happened, I will rethink on that and what I should do on it. Okay. So I have a lot of discipline by doing the trading. So what happens is on one incident where I took the position into the SBI, and my broker, I told my broker that I'm going for a meeting and I'm not able to take your call for next 2 hours. If anything happen, you close the position or you cut off my position. And at that day, market fall around 700 points. So what happens is not able to cut my position. And it turned out to 2 lakh rupees loss in 2011, okay, in single day in 2 hours. So my meeting cost was 2 lakh rupees. So then I check with the broker what is happened, why you are not able to cut my position. So he says, sir, I want to cut your position, but when market falls, I thought market is going to move up, and once market will move up, I'll cut your position, but it won't happen. It will move down, 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 and I'm not able to cut your position. So what plays in this? Emotions play. Broker emotions plays in this. So that time I was thinking that my background is tech, so I thought that okay, why computer is not taking a trade, why human is taking a trade. At that time no ecosystem was available, very early stage. I do some research, I found some options are available in US market. India is too far to do that. But fine, I thought till then I'll wait, and till then I'll do my research. Why market is moving like this way, why a certain crash happen, why fall happen, and I have to do a lot of learning. So I take it like it's my business. So in business, I am learning a lot of things. Similarly, I decided to learn in stock market. So what I learn is, I learn technical analysis, fundamental analysis. I learn, you can say, data analysis, and a lot of stuff. I have seen more than 5,000 videos plus, and average video time frame is minimum 20 to 45 minutes. So you can understand how much video consumption I have done in terms of hours, in terms of time. And then after I find a lot of misleading information in the market, and people are taking a different level of advantage by misleading the people. So I decided, okay, what to see, what not to see, and I have created my entire system. And finally, I become a systematic trader. So before Algo, I was doing a systematic trading, and even today I'm also doing some of the systematic trades. So where my stop loss is defined, my targets are defined, or and my trading style is completely different. So so that was about my journey. So guys, I hope you are not bored with my journey, right? And this part. So I want to take you through quickly to the algo part. So finally, I developed my fine-tuned product, and that's about my journey. So now why algo? Okay, and why I'm doing this webinar? The question is that, okay. So sure, Ravichandran, I'm trying to speak more louder. So why I'm doing this webinar? Because I have first created a system for me. Okay, I am a customer like you, or the person like you who don't know what the algo is. So I've tested many products. I've gone through with the many product. I've invested into it, but I won't get the desired result. And most of the product is having a black box strategy. So I am not able to understand what they are doing it, why they are doing it, and then there are a lot of limitations also in terms of the configuring of account or strategies. So I decided, okay, let me work on that and let me build something for my own. And I have built it, I was testing it, and I'm using it for my own trading purpose. So one day what happens, I was just discussing with the like-minded people that, okay, I'm doing algo trading. And then people are struggling with the Python and all kind of other technology. People say, okay, sir, why you are not teaching us? So I said, I don't know how to teach. That's not my area where I can teach the people. I'm a businessman. So they says, fine, sir, you show whatever you are doing it, and I show them whatever I'm doing it. And they like it, and they say, sir, you please teach us. We want to learn. We want to implement this system. And then that's how my journey started. And what happens is when my client make money, I'm so happy because they are saving money and making money. That's the best part. So I decided my mission to help unlike people to achieve sustainable income through emotion-free trading, and through my Novice to Algo Trader in just 1 week program. Why 1 week? Because I have seen many programs, which is a 2 months, 3 months, or 1 month program. Okay, where you can learn a lot of things and then implement. Here it's a 1 week program. You become an algo trader very quickly. Okay, and it's a 1 to 3 kind of step. Okay, so this is all about my mission, my journey, everything. Okay. Guys, are you aware with this market participants? Anyone heard it? Please comment it and make it interactive. Anyone aware with this market participants? Bulls, bear, everyone heard, right? Whale, sheep, chicken, stag, turtle. So there are turtle strategy where people are slow to buy, slow to sell. Okay. There are fearful investors, that is called the chicken. There are the sheep, there are the stags, whales who are running the market. Bulls having the optimistic view, bears having a pessimistic view. That's it. But that's how this market is divided into the participants. And that's why based on the entry of the participants, market give the movement. So there's an example, there's a whale in the market, market will give big move. If there is a bulls are there, market will have a narrow move, or the sometimes you call it as a sideways kind of a market. Okay. And people are running with the small points. So that's how the market participants works. Guys, are you aware how much percentage algo trading done in US? Any idea? So I'll share the statistic about it. That is one thing is in USA it's around 75% trading is done through algo, and it's with the institutional and the retail both industry. In India, it's around 26 to 28%. So huge scope into the algo trading. Okay, and it's beneficial for the earlier adopters because the way you quickly learn the algo and implement it, you have a great journey. Because see, it's all about the patience, it's all about the learning, what you have with the algo, with the system. And you have to trust the system. So why to do algo trading? Okay, what is algo and automated trading? Anyone aware what the algo trading is? I think Mr. Pratik is doing it, so you know. But apart from that, anyone is aware what the algo trading is? So algo trading is very simple term. People call quantum trading, auto trading. Okay, it's simple computerized trading. It's 100% computerized trading. Computer will take the trades, okay, and computer will exit the trade. You don't have to worry. Wherever you are going for outing or on the tour or the vacation, still your system is taking it. You don't have to worry that you have to sit in front of the computer entire day, see the system where market is moving up, down, and based on that, see your M2M every day and take the wrong decision based on your emotions. So that's where algo will help you out. So I make it very crisp. It's having a very good speed and efficiency. The moment you try to think what I want to take a trade, system has already taken it. Okay. Second thing is human emotions are 100% zero. There is no human emotion. Even if you decided to do over trading, you are not able to do. Okay. If you decided I want to take 10 trades, you are not able to do. Because the system decide how many trades it want to take based on the scenario of the market conditions, and system is taking very safe trade. Okay, so based on the risk, reward, lot of things, this system varies and differs. Scalability, Mr. Pratik, it's a highly scalable system. As you said, like you want a scalable system, so you can start with the 25 quantity, the 10,000 quantity, and system will take all the trades. Okay, so and you can also have a diverse trade. That also I'm going to discuss. Benefit and limitations, again continued, consistency and discipline. So you have a consistent trading, disciplined trading. There is no emotion. So it's 100% this emotion-free trading and disciplined trading. Backtesting and optimization. Certain things you can backtest, certain things you can't. So based on the strategy, plan, ideas, trading plan, this differs. Diversification. You can trade with the stocks, futures, commodity. So So you can diversify your portfolio. You can have an investment-based trade also. You can have a swing trade. You have this gorilla trade or the scalping trade, you call it. So all the systems is available, and it's a very open system. Okay, so there's nothing closed box, nothing kind of thing where you don't have a control. That I'm coming to moving forward. So algo trading helps traders to do trading performance, reduce the risk process, and increase efficiency and speed at executing trades. Technical failures. My algo fails. So say example, your internet is not working. Your internet is suddenly stopped and system took the trade. So your trade is not going to happen. If you over optimize the strategy. So there is some set parameters. If you play around with it and over optimize it, system won't fail to perform. Limited with the historical data, so you can test with the historical data only. That's one of the limitations. Complex and difficult to understand because there are many systems available into the algo, and that's the reason it's very complex and difficult to understand. So this is for the traders who want to do complete emotion-free trading. So solution I am offering on the problem discussed on the previous slides. So first of all, emotion-free trading, it's 100% emotion-free trading. Systematic trading, so you have become a systematic trader. If stop loss triggered, system will take it automatically. 100% automated trading, compared with the SEBI rules and regulation for algo, making more simplified and implement like a plug and play. Simplified approach to understanding strategies and can generate decent ROI on capital. Another thing, one solution cannot fit to all. Risk and capital based solution approach. So as I discussed with Mr. Pratik, that option selling is a different thing, option buying is a different thing. I do have bots for the futures also, stocks also. Okay. And you can do a lot of things, which I am going to share. So easy to use and implement. You need to give only 5 minutes a day to your login with your system. It's having a robust tech infrastructure. So if you are going out, your internet is not working, your local computer is not working, still your system will take trade. And I recommended that setup. But if you want to say example, if I don't want to invest that and those things, then you can work with your systems. And there are a lot of ways you can sometimes do the manual trade based on the algo signals. That is also possible. So I have created very quick and easy 3-step process. One is a robust system infrastructure, implement trading plan and strategy, and connect with your broker. Okay, so this is a 3-step process, very crisp, very clear. 1 week, everything is done, and you are live. So this is my program, Novice to Algo Trader in just 1 week. Okay, so anyone can join. The person who don't have a zero stock market knowledge, he can also join this program and make the benefit of it. It's going to be the live class, so I am going to in front of you. It's not a recorded session, so you just see the recording and try to implement it. I am there. I am going to help you, and I am going to make you algo trader. That's for sure. So this is my program. So why to join this program? It's a goal-based program. So we talk about the ROI, investments. Okay, we don't stories surrounding it, like strategies, paper testing. I don't talk about it. I simply talk how much ROI you can get if you implement this strategy, how much ROI you can get if you implement my strategy. Okay. Faster learning, quick implementation method, 100% your own control on your money. It's 100% control you have. You can change the strategy, you can stop the signals, you can do whatever you want, you can exit the position. If you are in profit, you feel okay, my money is doubled, I want to exit, you can exit. No like restriction that you can't exit, you can't do this, you can't do that. It's a 100% open system. Trading plan with the proper risk management. Picking strategy based on risk and reward expectation. Money makes money for you. Easy to understand and implement. It's a do-it-yourself program. So it's a hand-on experience which you will have. So I'll show you in real market how the signals are triggered and all those stuff. Networking and community advantage. So you have a group, so you have a networking and community advantage. So algo works with a below instrument. Stocks, futures and option, index futures and option, commodity futures. Okay. Algo works with the below trading style. So if you have any question with the trading style, this is the answer. Scalping, guerrilla trading, swing trading, day intraday trading, short-term trading, long-term trading. Index and stock options trading. Okay. So buying options, selling options, ratio spread. So you can do these three things. If anyone aware with the ratio spread, you can have a, you can say, if you heard the straddle strangle, that is a kind of a ratio spread, which you can do, which is with the some limited feature. So it will buy the calls, buy the puts, okay? So, or the sell the call, sell the puts based on the strategy. So this is going to, how it's going to work. Now, these are my past students who have benefited with this, and some of students have taken advantage where they are learning the system, okay? So people are very crazy and excited about, and they are using it right now. And this is a glimpse of my system. Now I'm going to show you the demo of the real algo system. So guys, are you excited to see the demo? Can you please comment? Okay. So I'm just stopping this screen over here. And I'm taking you through the live system. Are you able to see my screen? Okay. So now you can see the signals on the screen, right? This is the alert which you will find on the Bank Nifty 30-minute chart, which is buy is happen, which is 43,900 C. Okay. And that is happen at 3:15 on Friday. Right? This is also the time is also taken by the system. So this is how the system is accurate. Now here you will see how this will work. Okay. This is a 30-minute time frame. Now here you will find sale is open here, over here. The strike price is, so 44,200. Okay. And here the buy is triggered. So sale position is closed over here and buy is triggered. So you will make the profit in the whatever the gap is happening. If you feel you want to exit at this level, okay, you can still exit. You are open to do that because it's your trade. When system will take next trade, it will take automatically. You don't have to worry. Okay, if you're exit and what happened, if market is going down, you won't take the trade, get the trade. But if market is reversing from this level, you will definitely take the next trade. Another thing which I would like to show you is a longer time frame. So Mr. Pratik, as you told, like you need a yearly profit, yearly decent return. So I'll show you, if you have a patience, how much money you can make. Okay. Now see, this is the rally. Buy is trigger over here, 39,900 somewhere. Okay. And this first sale is over here, which is 43,000. Right. So first sale is trigger over here. So now if you see the number of points, how much points you are getting in the time which you can see, which is a 29th March. And here is the time is 5th May. So only 1 month, 1.5 month time, you are able to make more than 3,000 points. And that is the beauty with the algo. Right? And here market is sideways, system will take the signals, buy, sell, but still this trade is continued buy side. This trade is not closed till yet, right? So so now, if you have any query in this, you can switch on your mic and ask me. This is the one of the strategy which I am showing. I have a 5 different strategies which I am going to share moving forward. But if you have any query, you can ask me. Switch on your mic and you can ask me whatever the question you have. Anyone is having a question? Anyone aware with this charting software?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we need a different software, extra software, algo software.
Yes. So how this works? This is a tool, TradingView. Okay.
Okay,
Which will give you which will give you the visibility how the algo is working. Okay. So when this trade happens, it will directly hit to your broker terminal. Right. So that configuration, everything I'll show to you into the program. Okay. And then you can configure it by your own. And I will tell you what you can do, what you can't do, everything, all detailed thing, right? I'm just showing you the glimpse how the system is working. Okay. But you will have end-to-end solution. It's not like that, okay, you take it, you have to implement your own, but I'll show you how you can implement it.
Okay.
And you can also have the recorded video, so you can see it from the recording also. Correct? So, you have any query in this strategy or anything which you would like to see, I can show you. Or any queries you have. So anyone is having query, or I'll move forward with the presentation.
So this is for the index or for stocks also?
You can do with the stocks also. I'll give you strategy for the future, stock, index option, stock options, everything. You can also work with the commodity also, right? And if anyone is having a query, I'll just share this. These are settings where you can do your intraday on off. So say somebody wants intraday, I don't want to take risk. Fine. You configured your signal in 15 minutes. You get 200, 300 point. Intraday, system will close the trade. That's it. Okay. If you want to play with the stop loss target into the scalping, you can also do that. Right. So there are different parameters which I'll show you how you can use it, how you can configure it. Correct? You can also, there are multiple strategies, but I'm just showing you on this strategy if you want to. What stock should I show you? Example, I want to see others. Now this is a Tata Motor 1 hour chart, right? So as per my system, Tata Motor is still bullish. Okay, but the problem is if you see the signal over here, it is a base entry point. If you try to buy it over here, it may happen, it will move up or it will move down. We will give you the ready-made code, okay, which is tested working code. Okay, it's a production code. So you will show you how you can implement it and use it. You don't have to do any coding. It's a coding free technology. Right. Another thing is, if you take a long-term trade, you will make a decent ROI. Because if you try to say daily profit and daily things, you can make money, but not the return which you are expecting in longer term. So Pratik, as you mentioned, you want a 35-40% return annually, which is very much achievable. And I show you how it is going to happen. So if you take the trade accordingly, and we'll show you how you can manage your drawdown and even this theta value, okay, time decay. So that I also help you to manage that also. So there are multiple way of trading. So it's an open system where you can, somebody wants to trade, say example, I want to trade 5 minutes, but I want to trade 5,000 quantity. Okay, you can do that also. And in 30 point, 40 point, I want to exit, you can do that also. So this is very much configurable system where whatever the changes you want, you can do it. So anyone is having a question? Mr. Ravichandran, you want to say something? Sir, I am not able to hear you. I think your mic is, your microphone is not connected. Can you please check? So anyone is having a query or should I move forward? Yeah, Pratik.
No, it's all good.
Okay. Mr. Ravichandran, you can type also if you are not able to speak, no problem. Okay. So should I move forward or you have any further query into this? So every time frame you get the different signals. That is what I am trying to say. In 15 minutes, Tata Motors, different signals. Right? So it's up to you how you want to implement the strategy. I have a client who are getting, say, example, 20% return in a 1 day. They are happy and they're exiting the position. Okay. So how you want to trade, that it's your decision. I will tell you how you can manage your risk, capital, this versus reward setup, everything I'll explain you. Fine. So I'm moving forward now to the presentation. Yeah, so now we move forward. So now I'm sharing you the systematic trade which I have taken, and I'm a very much systematic trader. So it's my trades, okay, and you can backtest this all the trades. So this is with quantity, price, everything. Okay, you can go download the day's data and check it out, right? This is my algo systems trade. So based on different time frame, it will give different results, right? So guys, I hope like you like my system and the approach which I have. So you want to know further? Should I discuss further? How you feel till now? Can you please share your feedback? Can you please comment how you feel till now, the webinar? Okay. Thanks, Anirudh. So what I'm going to teach and what value worth I'm going to give, right? That I'm going to discuss. So first of all, I'm going to teach you what the algo trading is with the detailed understanding. Then types of algo trading. So there are multiple systems which I'm going to share how this works, risk, reward, selling, buying, stocks, investment, swing trading, positional trading, everything I'll teach you. Then various trading methods I'll show you. The way I show, like you can do the scalping, you can do 15-minute positional trading, you can do 1 hour swing trading, okay, or the positional trading also. So that I'll teach you. This course is reward management. I'll show you how you can manage your risk, how you can do the position sizing in algo. That is also important because when you create your algo, when you say you have X amount of capital, how much size of trade maximum you can take it, okay. Then I'll give you the algo board. These are ready production based products. So you don't have to worry like you have to write any code, nothing. You have to just implement it. Copy and paste that side. So algo board, alpha future, algo board, alpha options, 10 MA futures, 10 MA options, strategy tweaking, understanding, backtesting, which I'll show you. Live market session and experience algo. So I'll show you how the live market alert is generated, everything. Okay. And daily checklist. What you want to check daily, okay, to log in while logging with your system. What mistakes you should not do, and all the things I'll teach you. And you have to log in only the market is open hours. So, for example, if you are doing a job or doing a business and you are going to your office very early, you can log in with the system in 7 a.m., 8 a.m. based on your choice and the preferences. So the total worth value of this entire program, I'm talking about the value, not the price, which is a 2,83,000. That is the value which I am delivering, right? Apart from that, I am giving the premium bonuses, which is a 30,000 rupees for the recorded live classes, validity 90 days. Premium bonuses worth ANA 20,000, fortnightly live Q&A classes, and premium bonuses for the VIP access with the WhatsApp group. So what we do in WhatsApp group, so say example, as I am an analyst, I take my systematic trade. So when I feel that this is a reversal level or the support level, I inform people to book the profit, okay, and close the trade. Because you may get the signal next day, but you may use 100, 200, 300 points. So if you want, you can exit, it's your choice. But I'll share that information to the people, okay. Then lifetime access with the Telegram community and one premium mode for the stock trades. Okay, so when to enter in stocks and all the stuff which will give you. So my total bonuses is around 1.5 lakh rupees, which is the worth value, and my total package value, you can say, call it the value proposition which I am giving is 4,33,000. So if I am giving the value of 4,33,000, what do you think? What should be the cost of this program? Okay, because it's a 1, 2, 3 kind of a program. It's a good to go kind of a program. No research, no skill building, nothing. So what do you think, guys? What should be the cost of this program? Any numbers you can place it. Just make a guess. You can place any guesses. No worries. You can put. It will give me the idea what people are thinking. Okay. 1,25,000. So I'm not going to charge this much. The program cost is 40,000. Okay. But for today, as you've taken a time and you are joining my webinar, I value your time. And for that, I have a special offer for you. Okay. Which I'm going to discuss. But before that, and that is for the action taker who take the action immediate basis. So how much ROI you can generate? That I'm showing you. This is just simple calculation on 40,000 if the program cost, and you are making 15,000-20,000 rupees a month. End of the year, you are making it 2.4 lakh, okay, in a year. So your capital is almost doubled, okay. And after expenses, so whatever the cost you are going to pay, which is a one-time cost, you are not paying it for the longer period. I am not charging for your profit sharing or nothing. It's a one-time cost. That's it. So and all setup is yours. So I'll share you the recent ROI. Okay. So can anyone tell me what is the percentage of ROI on this screenshot? And this is shared by my client. And this is also available on Trustpilot. You can go and check it out. Can anyone tell me what is the percentage of return in this? Correct, 86%, right? And this is on the deployed capital. The capital deployment is 524 into 50. So it's around 25,000. Okay. So this is the beauty with the algo. Now, if you have a 10 trade in entire year, still you're making a decent money. So what is the question in your mind? So let's discuss that. Can I make money? The answer is yes. Technical knowledge required? Not required. You should know only computer operation knowledge. That's it. ROI 25%, 35% monthly basis, which I am committing. It's more than that. Result is in front of you, which is 86%. But I am committing only 25 to 30%. Right? Capital required 30,000 to 1 lakh. Maximum capital you can deploy on the one strategy which I have shown you, which is a 10 lakh. Okay, which is a recommended. You can go more than with that also, but this is a recommended for the size of the audience. So in this program, my trial is not possible because so many people ask me, I want a trial, this, that. So the reason I am sharing, it's your private system. So whatever the implementation you are going to do, it's on your system, your control, not shared. Okay. You also need to connect your broker. So there is a process to connecting the broker with the system. Okay. And that's the reason the trial is not possible with the live system. Okay. Tools is yours. And again, it's not shared. 100% of your control. So this is the reason. What is the total capital required? Minimum 1 lakh. Program cost plus 1 month tools cost plus trading capital. If you calculate, approx tool cost is 3,500 per month. Okay. And final capital is around trading capital is 75. If you are having a 1 lakh total capital. You can even test with the 30,000 also. So I have some client who test with the 30,000. Okay. I have a client. So what should be the cost of the program? Guys, final guesses. Make it. And who wants to join? Who are in this for this program? If I am offer you the unbelievable pricing, who are ready to join this program? Just type me into the comments. Okay. And Anirudh wants to in. Who wants to in? Because we are making easily 10, 20,000 rupees loss very easily in stock market. Okay. With our emotional trades, and this will help you to do lifetime things. Okay, one time you are paying me, and lifetime you have an opportunity to do the trading. Whatever the return, whatever the money which you have, you can make the return on it. Okay, so today for the fast action takers, I am offering you this program at the 19,999, 50% cost of the actual program cost. Okay, so stay over here. I'll have more things for you. So we do have other offerings. We have customers who don't have a time, okay, who are busy into jobs or some professions. And for them, we have our other offerings also. Okay. And I'm sharing with that, so you will have that idea. So we have a managed services. So we do it for you. We will do the setup, everything for you, and manage it by our team. Option selling system. So we have a different option selling system, which is a Python based, and it's also the managed service. So if anybody wants, okay, I have a big capital and I want to just manage service, I don't want to do routine stuff and all this stuff, we have an option selling system. And it's a very decent. I have 5 different strategy for the option selling. Okay. And again, Python based plug and play system. We also offer the premium cost of WhatsApp group. So people who are wants to just try and not able to afford the cost due to the limitations of the initial capital, they can go with the algo levels. So we'll post the algo levels, like this is the levels which is created in 15 minutes, 30 minutes. And based on your choice, you can take the trade in that time frame, and you will also make money along with it. But it's a manual trading you have to take, but discipline is algo. If algo is exit, you have to exit. If algo is entering, you have to enter, right? So that is the thing for the premium WhatsApp group. And if you want a one-to-one call with me, I am just charging 999 rupees. So it's this simple thing which you can book and connect with me, discuss whatever the things which you have. So it's a complete personalized approach for you guys. So if somebody is not able to discuss, a lot of people connect with me on my one-to-one call and discuss their requirement and the expectations. Okay. So this is what about the program. So this is my now service offering. And payment options are available, which is a credit card, net banking, UPI, EMI, and Google Pay or Phone Pay. Okay. So who wants to take a decision now? And I'm also going to give you this lifetime access for the recordings. So it's a 90 days, but I'm making you for the lifetime today. So you will get a lifetime access. Anytime you can go configure it. If you forget it, you won't have worry. Okay. So who wants to be in and take the decision? So I'll share the link. This is a valid offer for 2 days only. Okay. Then price may change in the future. It can go up because a lot of people are interested and people are crazy about this product. So guys, can anyone tell me like who wants to be in? Then I'll share the payment link. Or anyone is having a query, you can connect with me and discuss with me. You can switch on your mic and discuss whatever the query you have. Now, Mr. Anirudh, do you have any query? Mr. Ravichandran, you have any query? I am happy to answer your query. It's with the program, it's the bad timing, anything you have, you can ask me. Yeah, Mr. Ravichandran, I am sharing my number. You can give me a call. Okay. It's my number. You can save it. You can WhatsApp me and give me a call on this number. So who wants to be in for this? Should I share the payment link? Then just message yes, then I'll share the payment link. If anybody wants to use a credit card or anything. Sir, is that okay, Mr. Ravichandran? You are going, this is my number, or you can share your number. So sure, we can share you the recording if you want to have it go through it again. Okay, you can connect with my team and they will share you. But if you share your number, so my team will connect with you. Sir, can you please share your number? Mr. Gyaneshwar, you have any query? Then we close this webinar. If no one is having a query, we'll close the webinar. Okay. Okay, we'll take the number and my team will connect with you. Gyaneshwar, what do you think? This is a wise program for you, or what is the reason why you are not taking a decision? What is the concern area for you? Can you please share? Okay, no issue. You can take your time and connect to us. Okay. So, whatever the queries you have, you can connect with me. And if you both are serious, I can give you one amazing offer because you are still at last, and I feel that you both are serious about this program. You want to know that offer? Okay. I'll give you this program as 9,999 if you are doing this payment right now. Okay, which is unbelievable offer. No one get it. Okay, people left. I don't care. Still, you are here. You want to make the maximum out of it. This is a best offer for you. It's a 9,999. Okay, I'm just typing it over here. So you don't have a confusion. Should I share you the payment link? And this offer I won't give you if you leave once this webinar is over. Okay, this offer is gone and you have to pay 25,000 if you want to join this program. As you stayed till last and I have committed you, I'm going to give you a special gift, and this is a special gift for you. Sorry, Gyaneshwar, you can connect me later, no problem. But the charge is going to be 20. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll connect you soon. And please share your feedback, how you like the webinar and insights, whatever you learn. Okay. Thank you very much for connecting. Sir, my team will connect you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Goodbye. Good night. Sure, my team will connect you, Gyaneshwar. Okay. Don't worry. You share your number if you have. Okay. So my team will connect to you. Okay. But my offer is over. And thank you all of you once again, hearing me, listening me till now. And please share your feedback. My team will share you the feedback form. So please take a time and fill it up. So we'll give you better offerings. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good night.